It should be blacks versus non-blacks.
Birthday, and I decided to dress up as Jessica Rabbit because that's all I had in my closet. I had a red dress, and I borrowed these gloves from a friend. Right now we are on our way, and I'm just gonna vlog when we get there. But make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Look at him. Can't breathe it.
Oh, nice.
Nah, fuck you, man.
We ain't brothers. Nah, we cousins.
Thomas.
Say your words, man. Say your piece. Yeah, okay. All right, everyone's attention, please. Quiet down. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you.
Olympics.
Oh, is this Canada? What is next to us?
Come on now.
Hey, get your shit. Hey, who's next? Who's next? Hey, who's next?
Wait,
Actually, don't know who that is. Sorry. What's your name? Gloria. Gloria. Who'd you come with? Campbell. Sorry? Campbell. Who's singing? Happy birthday. Someone's
Views. Oh, okay. Let me do another. Ryan, how do you think you're gonna perform?
I already told you. I'm
Yeah, but I wasn't
sabotaging.
recording.
Wait, what do you mean sabotaging?
Yeah, I'm sabotaging. I'm gonna pull in the opposite direction so my team loses.
Just push the person in front of you over
Oh,
on
yeah,
the
I'll do
floor.
that as well.
Yeah. Wait, how do you think you're gonna perform?
We're gonna do amazing.
How good?
What team are you on, girl?
Whatever team. Yeah.
How do you think you're gonna perform, Belle?
We're winning everything. I don't know what team I'm on, or whatever team it is. We're winning everything. Give me the medal now.
I'm so joyful.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, with too much enthusiasm.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
It's versus you.
Is it girls versus boys or it's like?
No, that wasn't fair. It should be blacks versus non-blacks. Two female non-blacks. Female non-blacks.
Are you playing?
No, I'm in the middle.
Okay. So who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning?
What's the teams?
I don't know.
My team anyway. I don't know what team I'm on, but me.
Okay.
I'm recording. I'm recording.
Hey, Isaac, come back. Hey, Isaac.
Guys, you're blocking the camera. Ready, chat? Wait, how are you in the frame? Okay. Oh.
Jump, jump, jump. Yeah.
A war in the city, it's a war outside. You spread lies, it's a war in the mind. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now. Let your kingdom come, let it fall right now.